What's the meaning of accuracy? Accuracy. 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 Accuracy is the degree of correctness of a measurement or calculation. It is the extent to which the measured or calculated value agrees with the true value. Accuracy is often expressed as a percentage, with 100% representing perfect accuracy. There are a number of factors that can affect accuracy, including the precision of the measuring instrument, the skill of the person taking the measurement, and the environmental conditions. In general, accuracy is important in any situation where it is important to get the correct answer. For example, accuracy is important in scientific research, engineering, and medicine.